Versus plain text prompts. So this is for image generation. You might be using text prompts to generate images, but today I'll give you a new perspective of using JSON prompts instead of using plain text prompts. So what are JSON prompts? So JSON prompts are prompts that are structured as JSON instead of plain text. They organize instructions into clearly defined fields, making prompts more consistent and machine readable and easier to control. So basically, instead of writing a plain, a text prompt and listing the instructions into it, you define those instructions into fields. So using JSON prompts, it increases your clarity and structure. It gives you scalability because you can reuse the same structure again and again. You can you just change the values as per your need, and better control over outputs. This is because you have better control over inputs. So the more control you have on inputs, the more control you get on outputs. So the key insight is JSON prompts are not smarter than normal prompts. They are more controllable and scalable. So this is not something like magic or something out of the box. You're just instructing model in better way so that you get a better output. I'll just show you in a minute. So let me just show you the images that I generated. So these were the images that I generated with JSON prompt. I just asked, in the first instance, I asked it to create an image of an apple tree. It created this image. This image is also pretty good, but I think, it looks kind of AI generated because the lighting doesn't seem, normal. So I just asked it to change the lighting, make it more realistic. It doesn't look real, it looks AI generated. Then in the next image, it generated pretty good image. It doesn't look AI generated, it looks pretty real. The other example I have is of this girl. So I created this image. It looks pretty real and there's no problem with this image, but I wanted something else. I asked it to change the setting and all and create something else, and just keep the image, the girl same. So then it gave me with this image. So you can see it kept everything same. It just changed her dressing and the overall setting. I just changed the fields and their values. So let me just show you how this prompt looks like. So this is how it looks. I think I used this prompt only to create this image probably. So you can see there is first prompt, then negative prompt, then camera, lighting, composition, style. So in JSON prompts, you list out all the things which you want so that it gives you more control. Now if I just change the mid shot and vest up to something else, it will give me completely different image, and I can change I can do this for all these parameters, so that way I have more control over the output. So now the question is, will you be creating these prompts on your own? So that is not possible because it takes a hell lot of time to create this on your own. So you'll just use this prompt. So I'll add this prompt into a description. You can just copy paste it. So what you do is you just take this prompt. So this is a role. You give this role to maybe ChatGPT. Then after giving it the role, in plain text you ask, you give instructions on how you want the image to look like. Then it will give you a prompt. Then you use that prompt. So it will give you output as something like this. Then you take that output and then you create image. Instead of directly creating images, you first generate prompt and then do it. So let's say you generated an image. Probably we'll take this example. But as I said, it doesn't look real. So what you will do is you will come to the chat which you use to take prompt. I mean, yeah. So you'll tell it that the image it generated looks AI generated. I just make necessary changes into the prompt that will give me a realistic output. So you just explain this in plain text and it will give you a new prompt, and then you can use that same prompt to create image, and next time it will give you a more better result. So you can do this until you get the result of your desire. So yeah, that is what you can do. So yeah, I'll give you this prompt in description. Just copy it and try it out yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope I was able to explain this thing properly.